So we got the last part of the outside body work done. Oh, it came out perfect, man. Look at that. My brother-in-law did this. Oh, nice work he does, man. And this too. And then I got all of these. I cut these out this morning. Well, you really can't see in there, but the gutter's pretty. It's a bad time to be filming this. But these are all for the gutter. Down here, there's a couple of rotted spots here. So that's what we're doing now. And then that's it, man. Once that's done, we can block it all out and prime it. I'm going to prime it right in here. We actually were able to push the car all the way to that wall, do half of it. I mean, this is what we have to work with, so there's nothing else I can do. And then pull the car out, turn it around, bring it in, and then push it against the wall again. He showed me a cool trick with the jack. He just put it under the ham of the rear end. And I'm sure a ton of you guys know this already, but it's the first time I ever seen it. And you put the jack on this side of the car, jack it up, and then you just swing the handle around, and it swings the whole back of the car over to the wall. I just thought that was really cool. Like I said, I've just never seen that before, and I thought it was really neat. So I'll be using that a lot. And, I'm going to be doing the hood pretty soon because I don't really like that. So, I mean, I don't know if these are supposed to be removable. I think they are supposed to be removable, but I mean, I wouldn't mind making this just part of the car. You know, I'll see. I gotta research it or whatever. See what he thinks about that. But I'm getting new bezels for the fresh air hood. This actually was just a regular hood, and I cut these out myself. I mean, it wasn't that hard. It was you can see the hole was kind of there already. You just had to cut it out, and they had these rubber grommets. Almost looks like you could hook something up to it, and it would go to that, but that doesn't work like that. That's it, man. Wait till you see this thing in a month from now. You're not going to believe it. All right, buddy? All right, girl? Loda? You look like a bug. I don't know what. What happened? You come here. What's up? You got to be scared, you freaking retard. You're not scared of anything, right? Loda? I know. Get your butts in the house. Freaking animals. Wow. Later, guys.